Okay, I've now added my second sparkle from my kit to my Crumble. And I've wired it up in the same way as I did the first sparkle. So I've joined the pluses, the minuses and the Ds with the wires. And if you look at my program on the Crumble software, you can see that my instructions though are only giving instructions to sparkle 0, which is my first sparkle. My second sparkle there is called sparkle 1. So at the moment it's not doing anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change my program around a little bit. I'm just going to take the blue out to start with, and I'm going to have sparkle 0 flashing red, and then I'll have sparkle 1 flashing green. So I'm going to turn sparkle 1 to turn it green, and then turn sparkle 1 off. And then I'm just going to run this program. So what we can now see is that they're now flashing red and green alternatively. If you wanted to, you can change the program around because you might want them to have them flashing at the same time. So what we could do is we could just reorder this program slightly. So if we drag this down, and then what we'll do is we'll have them both coming on at the same time, and then we'll have them both going off at the same time. And if we run it now, we can see we have a slightly different effect. So you can have a little play around with that.